Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then our program will swap the arrangement of the two given numbers using pointers in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will post or put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free of this tutorial video in my two websites. So basically I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. So we have your sharp include stdio.h for input output, and then I create a function swapping, and then I have two variables x and y. I declare it pointers. Having asterisk start means it is a pointer also, together with variable y. There are two passing parameters here, and then I have a integer data type of temp. So we have here temp equals asterisk x and y, pointer y temp begin, int main, it is the starting point and ending point of every C program, begin. I have two variables, namely a and b. So there is a data type called integer. When we say integer, it can only accept whole number, positive including negative number, so there are no decimal places. Printf, the title of our program, swap of two numbers using pointers in C. New line here, give values for a and b will be stored in ampersand a and b. Before swapping, we will display the original arrangement calling the function swapping, and then we pass the two passing parameters a and b. After swapping, it will display the values of a and b. So here end of program, which tells the user that the program has been ended. Okay, let us compile and run to see the result. Give a swap of two numbers using pointers in C. Give values for a and b, let's say 100 and 200. So before swapping of value of numbers, a has a value of a has a value of 100, b has a value of 200. After swapping, a has already a value of 200 and b has the value of 100 and a program. Okay, another example guys. Okay, give values, swap two numbers using pointers in C. Give values for a and b, let's say we have 9 and 8 and 12. So before swapping of numbers, a equals 8, b equals 12. After swapping of numbers, a becomes 12, b becomes 8, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to swap two given numbers using pointers in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So I hope now that you enjoy watching this video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.